Hello friends, welcome to the chapter 7 of Node.js tutorials. In this tutorial, we will know about the HTTP methods. What are different types of HTTP methods and why are they used? So let's go. The Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is also known as HTTP, is designed to enable communications between clients and servers. What is client and a server? So imagine you are searching something on Google. So you open the web page, type some request and press the enter and Google gives you the results. So here you made one HTTP request. So in this scenario, you who is making the request is the client and Google is the server. So you are making a request and Google is processing your request and responding with the appropriate response. In the world of web communication, HTTP methods are like verbs which tell the server what you want to do with the resource, which can be an image, a web page, a video, or any other resource. Here are the most common HTTP methods. Get. It is used to retrieve the information. Post. It is used to create any new record. Put. It is used to replace the entire resource. Patch. It is used to update a specific part of the resource. And the last one is delete. It is used to delete the resource from the server. To make it more understandable, let's go through a scenario. Imagine you want to read a book. So you go to a library and ask the librarian, can I get this specific book? So this is a get request which you are making to the librarian. In response to the request, librarians gives you the book and you borrow it. So borrowing means taking the book to the home. So you are making a new record which is equivalent to post request. Once you are done reading the book, you go to the library and ask the librarian to change the book with the newer edition. So you are making a put request. In the new book, you found that one of the page is torn. So you ask the librarian to fix the torn page and update the book. Here you are making the patch request. Once you are done reading the book completely, you go to the librarian and says that I would like to return the book. So it is equivalent to delete. Let us go through each method individually in detailed way in next videos. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching the video. Please let me know your feedback in the comment section. If the video is helpful, click on like button. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out to new videos coming in.